Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Equilibrium Nutrition 7-Day Detox by Dr. Cabral, chocolate flavored, whole body transformation, scientifically researched, weight loss system. All natural cleanse, organic superfood nutrients. Real results backed by science. This Equilibrium Nutrition Detox is the most powerful, scientifically researched, detoxification weight loss system ever created. Our 7-day detox kits can help you lose unwanted pounds, decrease bloating and water retention, increase energy, boost mood, and speed up metabolism. Our system can rebalance healthy inflammation, pain, and remove brain fog. This is the complete total package that can truly help to rebalance underlying root causes. Ingredients you can trust. We use top GMP-certified nutritional supplements made in the USA. These are third-party certified for purity and guaranteed to work. We know what works and what doesn't and have come up with the perfect pairings to get you better results faster. Dr. Cabral has spent 20 years of clinical practice and research to formulate the most powerful and the purest detoxification cleanses, providing the best wellness and weight loss results. Empty bottle 100% satisfaction guarantee. We are confident that you will love our product and feel the difference, but if you don't get the results you are looking for after using our detox, simply ship back your empty bottles within 60 days of your purchase for a 100% refund. Built for optimal whole body wellness, Dr. Cabral Detox Kit comes with daily nutritional support, AU Detox, and FM Detox, so you get equipped with everything you need to begin this healthy Equilibrium Nutrition Detox. Our kit naturally ramps up liver detoxification to assist your body to shed needless bloating, water retention, remove harmful toxins, improve health and lose the weight that is keeping you from living your life the way you want and looking the way you want to look. Blended with you in mind, 100%. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.